Even now, CSB investigations following major accidents find deficiencies in design and process safety management, similar to those uncovered in Bhopal. In 2008, an explosion killed 2 workers and injured 8 others at a pesticide plant in Institute, West Virginia, that was originally developed by Union Carbide. The explosion took place during a lengthy startup process, when a runaway chemical reaction occurred inside a waste treatment vessel. Had the exploding vessel taken a different trajectory, pieces of it could have struck piping connected to a storage tank containing 13,700 pounds of methyl isocyanate, potentially causing a large release of the same highly toxic chemical that killed thousands in Bhopal. The CSB's investigation found that factors similar to those reported in Bhopal led to the explosion, including incomplete operator training and procedures. In 2012, a massive fire put workers' lives at serious risk at a refinery in Northern California. The CSB found that the company repeatedly failed over a 10-year period to upgrade corroded piping using inherently safer materials. Eventually, the pipe became so thin it ruptured. And in 2013, 15 people were killed and more than 200 were injured from an ammonium nitrate explosion in West Texas. The explosion caused widespread damage to homes, schools, and businesses up to a half-mile away. Similar to the Bhopal disaster, emergency response plans were inadequate, and community members were not aware of the potential hazard in their midst. The CSB has found that current federal and state regulations do not focus enough on preventative measures or continuously reducing process risks. Therefore, the CSB has urged that federal or state process safety management regulations be reformed to require reducing risks to specific goals, using the most current industry standards, and ensuring that these standards contain adequate minimum requirements, applying the hierarchy of controls with safe design as the preferred strategy, and using inherently safer technologies wherever feasible, conducting damage mechanism hazard reviews, analyzing the effectiveness of safeguards, increasing attention to organizational safety, and broadening regulatory coverage to include reactive chemicals and atmospheric storage tanks. Following the Northern California refinery accident, the CSB recommended many of these changes to process safety management regulations in California, which the state is now actively pursuing.